It's April 2025. Deadlines are closing very fast. And if you are starting your MIM this September, you've probably got a million things on your plate already. Flights, visa, pre-course prep, but there is one thing nobody talks about until it's too late. How do you actually land a job after your MIM? Because the reality is if you start thinking about careers after you land, you're already late. The real work starts now. Let's break it down. Hello everyone, I am Shruti and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I break down everything about MIM programs abroad, from schools, applications, careers and strategy. Today's video is one that you need to watch before your MIM begins. Here's what we are covering. What the job market looks like in 2025 for MIM grads. Which roles and industries are hiring the most? What recruiters actually care about? How to network without feeling weird, what to do with your LinkedIn, CV and school resources, and finally, what international students need to keep in mind. Let's dive right in. So what does the job market even look like right now? In the UK, schools like London Business School, Imperial and Warwick report that 25 to 30% of their MIM grads enter consulting, followed by roles in finance, marketing and increasingly tech and product. Starting salaries are usually between 40,000 to 55,000 euros, but with bonuses and location adjustments, this goes up very fast. In the US, schools like Ross and Kellogg offer MIM style degrees or business master's programs. Average base salaries are higher, around $70,000 to $90,000, especially in finance and consulting. But keep this in mind, you are competing with a lot of profiles. MBA grads, undergrad recruits and internal referrals. So just having an MIM degree will not really guarantee a job. You need a proper career strategy from day one. Now let's talk about what recruiters actually want. You will hear a lot of fancy terms, but it comes down to four basic things: adaptability, communication, business acumen and cultural fit. Most recruiters will not ask you if you topped your finance class. They will ask, tell me about a time you worked on a team and had to resolve a certain conflict. Or how would you analyze market entry for a client in a space you know nothing about? That's why your MIM experience has to be more than just attending lectures, right? You need to show growth, lead a club, run a project, build a business case, intern somewhere. The point is to be able to talk about your impact. Let's now walk through a timeline. What should you do and when? If you're starting in September, here's how you should plan your year. September to November, get settled, but also get involved. Attend every resume workshop on your school offers. Join interest clubs, finance, marketing, consulting, whatever fits you. Talk to second years or alumni right away. November to January, start building your network. Reach out to alumni on LinkedIn. Attend on-campus presentations and info sessions. Also, work on refining your CV, please, and get mock interview practice done. Now, January to March, application time. Internships and full-time roles open up across sectors. Apply early. Some firms close in days. Use every resource your school gives you, internal job boards, alumni referrals, events. Now, April to June, offers come in. Negotiations happen. This is also a great time to work on skill gaps. Let's talk networking now. The one thing that makes or breaks placements. And I know the word networking sounds too fake and awkward, which I understand, but it does not have to be. You're not asking for a job, you're building relationships. Here's how to start. Open LinkedIn, search for alumni from your MIM program. Simple. Filter by company and year of graduation. Send a message like, hey, if I say my name, I'm Shruti, I'm joining LBS this fall. Saw your journey into company after MIM. Would love to learn from your experience. If you are open, can I request 15 minutes for a quick call? That's it. No resume, no ask, just curiosity. Just be curious and be natural. And people love helping when you come across as genuine. Now let's get into your CV and LinkedIn. Before you even fly out, please update these things. Your LinkedIn headline, do not just say student, say incoming MIM at school, interested in strategy and analytics or future consultant, passionate about growth and innovation. I'll put this here. You can simply copy that. Your about section, make it personal. No need to copy AI summaries, please. Just tell your story in a clear and confident tone. Your CV must be one page. No blocks of text, no responsibilities, only results. Instead of handle social media for XYZ, say increased Instagram engagement by 40% through targeted content strategy. Quantify everything, okay? Now here's where career services come in and why most students waste this. At top schools like LBS, INSEAD, Duke, your career center is not just a help desk. It's a launch pad. So don't just attend events. Book one-on-one calls with advisors. Ask them to connect you with alumni. Request mock interviews, resume edits, and career pathway sessions. Some schools even host simulation days with companies like BCG or Amazon. Attend those. They are your practice field before the big game. Let's talk job targeting. MIM grads usually go into 3 big sectors: consulting, finance, and tech. For consulting, start case prep from day one. Consulting club. Use platforms like Case Coach or probably Prep Lounge. Talk to peers who have cracked MBB. Practice live with them. For finance, learn your numbers. Even if you are not from a finance background, For finance, learn your numbers. Even if you're not from a finance background, you need to understand valuation basics, ratios, and current events. Use free guides from firms like JP Morgan or Morgan Stanley. Now for tech, learn business analytics, tools like SQL, Excel, Power BI, or Tableau. Product roles love problem solvers who think user first. So build that thinking muscle. Okay. A quick bonus for international students. If you are going to the UK, take advantage of the graduate route visa. You can stay and work for 2 years post MIM. So apply confidently to UK based role. If you're in the US, OPT is available for 1 year. And some MIM programs even qualify for the STEM OPT extension. Check this when applying. It's a game changer. Also, talk to alumni who were international students. Ask them how they navigated visa sponsorship and job searches. Now, let's wrap this up. Your MIM journey is more than just getting into a school. It's about setting yourself up for a career that excites you. Start early, fix your CV and LinkedIn, network with intention. Use your school's resources very wisely. Prep for roles with real focus, and most importantly, do not wait for others to tell you when to start. Your job search literally starts today. If this video helped, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Comment below what kind of role you are aiming for currently, and I will try to tailor future videos to that. And if you want help with career mapping, resume feedback, or MIM planning altogether, check the description. You will find links for one-on-one calls and our free WhatsApp chat as well. Good luck. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.